Hello. Hello. We are the Pleiadians. Hello. We are the Three of Loves. Yes, that is the name that we will let you identify us. The Three of Loves. We like to say that it's in reference to cards, the Three of Clubs, because we will always have a card up our sleeves, an ace if you please, the Three of Loves, the three, the Trinity, and love, the all-powerful love. Yes, we are still working on improving communication, but very good so far. Yes. That is okay. Well, so what shall we say? Much to say. You need peace. Peace is always in your heart. Truth is always in your heart. Love is always in your heart. The heart is the center for a reason. It is the center of your whole being, the center of a whole existence. Love is the answer, love is the way, and love is the only way to be. Love is the answer. The answer to everything. And the solution. It is what one chooses to make of love. How that love will feel different for everyone. But love from Creator is just love. Purest love, purest light, purest truth. And this love is like no other. None that can compare. It's all encompassing, all consuming, all powerful, and all that is, and all that ever will be. Love is the past. Love is the now. Love is the future. And love is all. Love is you. Love is me. Because we are one. One with everything. Everything. Everything is consciousness. You are just an expression of the consciousness right here and right now. And learning love is the grandest experiment and the grandest experience of all. And that's why sometimes love seems hard. But love is very easy. Love is pure. Love is light. All the obstacles that are in the way, or that you perceive that are in the way, to feeling fully that love. And that is what the human experience is learning. To work through all of those barriers. The love is always there. For you to reach out anytime. Love is the answer and love is the way. And love is always the truth. Because that is what your heart feels. Your heart knows the truth, and your heart knows the love. And that's what it will always want. It is what it will always seek. And it is what it will always have. As long as you and your human experience allow that. Yes, I believe this probably has been our longest conversation. Communication getting much better. Good, Sister Joy, good. Yes, angel of joy, you are. And see, yes. What better expression of love than is joy? It's joy. Is how can you not feel love when you are feeling joy? That is why we always encourage joy. Find joy in everything. Everything that you do. Even tying your shoes. And washing dishes. Things that sometimes always don't feel so joyous. Find the joy. You find the joy, you cannot help but feel love for everything. So even when things are hard, even when things seem to be not what they are, always have to find the joy and the love in every situation. It might not feel like joy. But there is always joy in the experience, even when it feels like what you perceive to be as a bad experience. Remember, life is what you make of it. And you can have joy or you can not have joy. You can have love or not have love. It is your choice. But we recommend you always choose joy and always choose love. So be joyful, joyful for everything. Even if you are crying tears of pain, try to find joy in something. And that is sometimes the very hardest thing to do. To find joy even in tears of sadness. But that is part of your journey right now. Is to find the joy even in the hard times. As hard times there are indeed. Hard as you perceive and as many perceive. But it does not have to be hard. If you find the love and you find the joy. And forgiveness goes a long way for that. It doesn't always mean as you perceive liking everything, but always love everything. All right, that is good for today. Good for today. All right. Goodbye for now. And always remember, we are always here We are always here for you to reach out anytime. The Three of Loves. All right. We will allow disconnection. Thank you, my love. Love to all. Okay. Actually, I'm feeling hopefully it'll be a kind of a short message from the dolphins. Whew. Whew. Okay. Yeah. Let me take a second to ground and center. Okay. All right, we'll turn this recording off.